Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're looking at the Metcalfe red brick terraced houses, and this time we get to build two buildings. The product code is PN103, and yeah, looking forward to it. I'll probably add a few changes between them just to make them a little bit more different, but yeah, very much looking forward to it. But let's have a look at what we get inside. So here is the instruction pamphlet. I say pamphlet, it's nearly a manual here, but let's go through what we need. So first of all, we have a look through what tools we need. So we need a modeller's knife, which I've got right here. Don't need some crumbs, which I've left from lunch. Sharp pair of scissors, which I've got right here. Maybe not quite sharp, but they'll do. A steel ruler, which I have got here. So that's right here, only a 6-inch one. Some glues. I've got my UHU glue here, and I've got another tube of it right here, just in case I need it. So plenty of glue. Fine tip applicator, which I won't bother doing. I prefer just using fingers mostly. A cutting surface, which is my cutting board right underneath it. A fine point tweezers, which I've got here. Watercolor paints and a fine brush. Well, I have got some fine brushes, but I haven't got any watercolor paints. But everyone knows that I don't bother doing the white lining. And I will recommend having a pencil as well, just so you can add a few little notes here and there as you build. So we also have the instructions, well, the contents of the kit here. So I have sheet A, which is 2 of them, which is for each house. I'll probably only show you the one house being built on camera and build the other one off camera, because I suspect this will take me a bit longer than my usual hour and a half. Now we have sheet B, which is the main backing board. This is where all the strength comes from. We have the laser cut sheet L1, which is this one. Very nice. And we have the glazing sheet, which is this one. A bit difficult to see. I see, just about to see it on camera. There we go. And obviously we have the instruction booklet, which is this one, as it even says in the instructions. And yeah, let me have a quick read. So this is where I say you should get the pencil out and actually label off each and every single piece on the grey card sheet. So just get a pencil, write down each one, just to make it a lot more easier for you, and then start building. Obviously, well, they recommend disassembling everything and putting it in a vast variety of places around you, but I prefer to keep things on the bit of a sheet till I actually need them. So yeah, as we start with, let's see, looks like let me have a quick look. Yeah, starts with the floor, then you start building up from there. Then add the walls. Make sure I haven't missed one. There we haven't yet. Adding the structure of the actual building, then adding the outside walls, then finishing that off, then adding, I'm assuming, yeah, the roof there, adding details, and then adding the rear building there, and then adding the rest of the rear building, adding the back garden walls and shed and all the other little details there. And then you have to do that all over again for the other building. And on the back here we have some extra little bits to add, like some curtains, which I'll probably forget to add. We also have garden gates, it looks like, as well, so yes. And yeah, blinds and nets and curtains and stuff like that. All very nice. And that's pretty much it, really. So I'm going to get to work and stop rabbiting on, and I'll probably put something on to keep myself entertained while I put one of them together. So yeah, I hope everyone. I'll see you in a bit. So yeah, see you in a bit. Right, here we are, both sets of houses all built and put together. I do have to mention that with the first lot I did get a little bit wrong with the building, because I didn't put the little frames around for the doors, so these ones are not inset like how these ones are. But other than that, yeah, it's not too bad. It's turned out quite well. Straight back now. Got it on my cake turntable because yeah, the normal ones are a bit too small for both sets of buildings. So yeah, manual turning today. Let's make sure things are in focus. There we go. Yeah, wasn't too bad. Not including the chimneys because they are quite fiddly. About an hour and a half to build one of them. Though if you get a nice production line, probably won't take too much longer. About two to 3 hours at most. Because the second one I actually built a lot faster than I did the first one, mostly because I knew what I was doing, and I could just while things were being glued and drying elsewhere, I was building the other half of it, and then yeah, it just came together quite quickly. So there's still a few strands of glue here and there. But yeah, the only fiddly bits which I found were just adding some of these extra bits, like the little windows up here and the front bit there. I think it was mostly this one here really, but yeah, that's the only thing which I can really say was fiddly, not including the chimneys, because the rest of it was quite easy to put together. So yeah, very happy with it. Yeah, very happy. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I can't really say much else. I definitely would recommend it, though probably use less green doors and maybe a bit more variety. I think I did, yeah, on the second one I did add a little bit of a variety in the back there, but yeah, very happy. Would definitely recommend it. And yeah, that's pretty much it really for this video. So do let me know what you think of these two buildings, well, two sets of houses. They should also butt up quite nicely as well. You can build these a bit more interconnected, but yeah, I didn't do that in case somebody wants to put them elsewhere, but probably you can probably get that a bit more better. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I don't know, I built it and it's going up in the attic, so I can build something else up. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And that's going to be it from me. So yeah, I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye. Nice shot of them. There we go. Take care now.